The last unified national build-out in the United States was the Interstate Highway System in 1956, exactly 70 years ago. It is time for our generation to lead the world by building intelligent infrastructure economic zones, connecting our communities to physical intelligence. For 70 years, we have coasted on the infrastructure of our grandparents. We have recycled their moonshots. We have pretended that scaling electricity and manufacturing are new concepts. But the world has changed. The physical world is now programmable. Autonomous systems are no longer science fiction. And the nation that builds the intelligent stage first will own the next century. West Palm Beach sits at the intersection of a new American frontier. The new President Trump Airport, launching advanced air mobility. The I-95 corridor of commerce, securing resilient supply chains for civil and defense sectors. Mar-a-Lago, a diplomatic gravitational field for international leadership. And Florida's leadership in active digital twins, through the National Center for Simulation. Stephen Ross is precisely the kind of builder who turns historic inflection points into physical reality. At Hudson Yards, he proved that a private developer could weave smart infrastructure, resilient energy, and digital connectivity into the largest mixed-use district in American history, a project that functions as a vertical city with an invisible technological backbone. That same systems-level thinking now finds its natural sequel in West Palm Beach. Here, the stage is set for something even more consequential. A thriving downtown, a new airport optimized for the low-altitude economy, an autonomous freight corridor pulsing with intelligence. The vision is bold. Launch intelligent infrastructure economic zones nationwide. Unlock tens of billions in private capital, from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Brookfield, Macquarie. Create new asset classes for infrastructure investors. Generate decades of build-out for engineering and construction firms. Empower municipalities with new property tax revenue, leased rights of way, and reduced congestion. And give every community, from North Dakota to South Texas, the tools to build its own intelligent future. Aarti Tandon has attracted an all-star lineup of industry and government leaders to help establish the 21st century economy. Her vision, a new program of events, conferences, summits, and expos centered on intelligent infrastructure, economic zones, and autonomy 2.0. Not just another tech conference, a market-making event designed to accelerate the deployment of intelligent infrastructure and unleash a new era of productivity and national competitiveness. This is the convergence of artificial intelligence with the physical world. Active digital twins, real-time virtual replicas of cities that predict, optimize, and respond. Drones as first responders, saving lives before ambulances arrive. Autonomous shuttles carrying our children, our elderly, our neighbors. Resilient grids, powering the future without blackouts. This is not a narrow tech sector. This is reindustrialization, the physical rebuilding of America for the intelligence age. The great economic revolutions in history are infrastructure revolutions. The railroads opened the West. The interstate highways built the suburbs. Now intelligent infrastructure will build our next golden age, connecting our communities to intelligence. A world where local communities thrive, goods move without friction, energy flows without waste, cities breathe without congestion, and will empower local entrepreneurs and service providers. West Palm Beach can become the crucible for America's intelligent infrastructure economic zones build-out. Not just a pilot, not just a testbed, the nation's demonstrator model, the place where intelligent infrastructure becomes the digital backbone of shared prosperity. Proving once and for all that the great economic revolutions are infrastructure revolutions, and that West Palm Beach is where America's next one begins. It is just two words: intelligent infrastructure, the foundation for physical AI, autonomous ground systems, automated mobility districts, and the low-altitude economy. Connecting our communities to intelligence. Time to build infrastructure that is beautiful and intelligent. The capital is allocated, the technology is proven, it is time to build. Ready to ignite your community's future? Join Tomorrow.City 2027. Help lead the national build-out of intelligent infrastructure economic zones.